So if we look here at the bottom right, this is the federated data access. This is really important. You need access to all of that data, no matter where it exists, whether it's across different systems or across different environments, from cloud to on-prem. And then also we can provide a flexible deployment foundation. Here at Starburst, we have both a managed offering and a self-managed offering. You can run on the cloud, you can run on-prem. In between these two, here on the bottom, the federated data access, the ability to access data wherever it lives in the systems or environments, the ability to deploy in an environment of your choice, gives you that optionality for kind of a true hybrid environment of getting access to that data. Now, when we move up here to the top right, embedded governance and in context, this is where we can help kind of add those governance policies and context, the meaning behind the data. And we'll talk more about that as we dive deeper into this. But being able to provide that business meaning to the data is really important for the purposes of AI, so that it can understand the data. And then finally, we have the model optionality. You all may have decided on certain models for a variety of reasons, whether it's trying to balance cost and performance and accuracy, or in a particular environment you're in, whether you're in the cloud, a particular cloud, on-prem. There's all sorts of reasons to use one or more models. And with Starburst being able to plug into a model of your choice, so we can fit into your ecosystem and still be able to get access to that data for the purposes of kind of going into existing applications, AI tools, models, and agents, and so on. And so together, all these boxes, really help deliver AI readiness without having to rebuild your entire data estate.